What's up everyone? Today we're doing something different. I'm giving you the ultimate winter survival guide. Every year people get stuck in their cars during blizzards, sometimes for days. It's dangerous if you're not prepared. So before the next Snowmageddon, let's make sure you're ready. I've built the top 10 essentials for your winter roadside emergency kit. We'll unbox each item, show you how to use it, and explain why it matters. By the end, you'll be a winter survival expert. Grab a notebook. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the single most important thing you can have in your winter emergency kit: a real heavy-duty blanket or a high-quality sleeping bag. When you're preparing for winter travel, this isn't just a nice-to-have item. It's absolutely essential. Whether you're driving across town or heading out on a long road trip, you never know when you might get stranded in freezing conditions. If your car breaks down or gets stuck in a snowstorm, you'll lose heat much faster than you think. Within minutes, your car can go from a warm, safe space to feeling like a walk-in freezer. The temperature inside drops quickly, especially if the wind is blowing or the sun goes down. Hypothermia is a real and immediate risk in these situations. Even if you're just waiting for help, your body can lose heat rapidly. That's why a sub-zero rated sleeping bag or a thick wool blanket is a must-have. These items trap your body heat and keep you insulated from the cold air around you, buying you precious time until help arrives. Mylar space blankets are another great addition to your kit. They're lightweight, inexpensive, and incredibly effective at reflecting your own body heat back toward you. While they're not as comfortable as a real blanket, they can make a huge difference in an emergency. It's smart to keep several Mylar blankets in your car. They take up almost no space, so you can stash them in your glove box, door pockets, or trunk. If you're traveling with family or friends, you'll want enough for everyone. Remember, you could be stuck for hours or even days if the weather is bad enough. In severe winter storms, police and tow trucks might not be able to reach you right away. Roads can be blocked, and emergency services are often stretched thin. You can't always count on immediate rescue, so you need to be prepared to take care of yourself. That's why you are your own first responder in these situations. Don't cut corners when it comes to your safety. Invest in quality gear that you can rely on. A cheap, thin blanket won't do much when the temperature drops below freezing. Wool blankets are especially useful because they insulate even when they're damp, unlike cotton. Mylar blankets, on the other hand, are so compact you can carry several without sacrificing space. Both have their place in your kit. Your main goal in any winter emergency is simple: stay warm and safe until help arrives. Keeping your core temperature up is the key to survival, and the right blanket or sleeping bag can make all the difference. A good sleeping bag or blanket isn't just about comfort, it can literally save your life. In freezing conditions, it's your first line of defense against the cold. These items take up very little space in your car, but their value in an emergency is enormous. Make sure they're always packed and ready to go. So this winter, don't leave home without a real blanket, a sub-zero sleeping bag, and a few Mylar space blankets in your vehicle. It's a simple step that could make all the difference when you need it most. Before you even think about hitting the road in winter, make sure you're equipped with a solid ice scraper and a reliable snow brush. These aren't just optional accessories, they're absolute essentials for anyone living in a snowy climate. Visibility is everything when it comes to safe driving. Trying to drive with snow or ice on your car is like wearing a blindfold behind the wheel. It's not just dangerous for you, but for everyone else on the road too. A long-handled brush lets you reach across your entire windshield, and even the roof, while a heavy-duty scraper makes quick work of thick, stubborn ice. With the right tools, clearing your car becomes faster, easier, and much less of a chore. Don't forget to clear the roof of your car. Snow left up there can slide down onto your windshield while you're driving, suddenly blocking your view and creating a serious hazard for you and others. De-icer spray is a total game-changer, especially on those bitterly cold mornings when your locks are frozen shut or your windshield is coated in a thick layer of ice. Just a few sprays can save you a lot of time and frustration. Never try to use your windshield wipers to clear away ice or heavy snow. Not only will you risk damaging the blades, but you could also break the wiper motor. Always clear the glass first with your scraper and brush. It's not just about your windshield. Make sure to clear your headlights and taillights too. If they're covered, other drivers can't see you, and you won't be able to see the road as clearly either. Good visibility goes both ways. The best part? These tools are inexpensive, but they're absolutely critical for your safety. You don't need to spend a fortune to be prepared for winter driving. Don't be that person who only scrapes a tiny peephole to see through. It's unsafe, illegal in many places, and puts everyone at risk. Take the time to clear your entire windshield and all your windows. It only takes a minute or two to do it right, and that small effort can make a huge difference in your safety and the safety of others on the road. Investing in a good scraper and brush combo is non-negotiable if you want to stay safe and avoid unnecessary hassles during winter. Add a can of de-icer spray to your emergency kit just in case. Remember, staying safe starts with being prepared and making sure you can always see clearly. Stay safe, stay visible, and make winter driving a little less stressful for everyone. Cold weather is one of the harshest enemies your car's battery will ever face. When temperatures drop, your battery's ability to hold a charge drops too, sometimes by more than half. That's why so many people find themselves stranded on the side of the road in winter, frustrated and freezing, all because their battery couldn't handle the chill. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day or leave you in a dangerous situation. To be prepared, always keep a set of heavy-gauge, extra-long jumper cables in your car. The thicker the cables, the better they'll conduct electricity, especially in freezing temperatures. And the extra length means you won't have to awkwardly maneuver cars close together on icy roads. But having cables isn't enough. You need to know how to use them safely and confidently. Always connect positive to positive and negative to a solid metal ground on the dead car, not the battery itself. This simple step can prevent dangerous sparks and protect your car's electronics. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in safety and success. But what if you're alone, or there's no one around to help? That's where a portable jump starter comes in. These compact devices pack enough power to start your car without needing another vehicle, making them a true game changer for winter emergencies. Modern portable jump starters are more than just battery boosters. Many double as power banks, letting you charge your phone or other devices if you're stuck for a while. Some even have built-in flashlights, so you can see what you're doing in the dark or signal for help if needed. Despite their small size, these jump starters are incredibly powerful. They fit easily in your glove box or emergency kit, and they're worth every penny for the peace of mind they provide. Investing in one means you're ready for whatever winter throws your way. Don't wait for someone else to come to your rescue. With the right tools, you can handle a dead battery on your own, no matter where you are or how cold it gets. Self-sufficiency is key when winter weather strikes. Before winter even starts, check your battery's age and condition. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years, but cold weather can shorten their lifespan. If yours is getting old, consider replacing it before the first freeze hits. Keep your jumper cables and portable jump starter stored in an easy-to-reach spot like your trunk or under a seat. Add them to your winter emergency kit, along with gloves, a blanket, and a flashlight, so you're always ready for the unexpected. Don't wait until you're stranded to figure out how your gear works. Take a few minutes to practice using your jumper cables and jump starter at home, so you'll be confident and quick if you ever need them in the cold. Remember, a dead battery doesn't have to mean disaster. With a little preparation and the right equipment, you can turn a potential crisis into a minor inconvenience. The right gear gets you back on the road fast, even in the harshest winter conditions. Stay charged, stay prepared, and you'll never have to fear the cold. Don't let winter win. Take charge of your car's battery and drive with confidence all season long. Picture this: you're stuck at night, no lights, phone nearly dead. A powerful flashlight is essential. Don't rely on your phone's tiny light. Get a tactical LED flashlight with extra batteries. It helps you see, signal for help, and work on your car. SOS strobe mode is perfect for emergencies. Cold drains batteries fast. Keep extras in your kit. Check them every winter. Add a hand crank flashlight as backup. It never runs out of power. Light is a huge comfort in a crisis. Don't risk being left in the dark. 2 flashlights are better than 1. Make sure you can always see and be seen. Light up your survival chances. Even a small injury can become a big problem in an emergency. A well-stocked first aid kit is a must. Bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, tweezers, and a cold pack. Add any personal medications you need for at least 3 days. Lip balm, scissors, and hand sanitizer are smart extras. Check your kit yearly for expired items. Customize it for your family's needs. Don't overlook first aid. It's your mini survival kit. If you're stranded, you'll need food and water. Pack high-energy, non-perishable snacks, granola bars, nuts, dried fruit, or emergency ration bars. Avoid foods that freeze solid. Have enough for everyone in your car for at least 24 to 48 hours. Water is even more important. Dehydration happens fast, even in the cold. Fill bottles only 3/4 full to prevent bursting. Thaw them with your body heat if needed. Include water purification tablets in case you need to melt snow. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. Stay fueled, stay strong. Sometimes, you just get stuck in the snow. A compact foldable shovel is essential. Don't try to fit a giant one in your trunk. Use it to dig out your tires and clear snow from under your car. Always clear your exhaust pipe before running the engine. Carbon monoxide is deadly. A good shovel is a multi-purpose lifesaver. Metal or durable plastic is best. Cheap ones break. Spend a little more for quality. It can mean the difference between getting free and staying stuck. Don't forget this tool. Dig your way to safety. Dug out but still spinning on ice, you need traction. Cat litter or sand are cheap fixes. Pour them in front of your drive wheels for grip. Store them in waterproof bags to avoid mess. For a reusable solution, get traction mats. Just wedge them under your tires and go. They work better than sand or litter, especially on ice. Traction mats are pricier, but worth it if you face tough winters. After use, just clean and store them. Don't let ice keep you trapped. Traction is your ticket out. Your phone is your lifeline, but only if it's charged. Keep a reliable car charger and a high-capacity power bank in your kit. Car chargers only work if your battery isn't dead, so don't rely on them alone. Get a power bank with enough juice for several charges. Bring multi-tip cables for any device. Recharge your power bank every couple of months. Cold drains batteries. Check often. Stay connected. Stay safe. Your phone could save your life. If you're stranded, you need to be visible to rescuers and other drivers. Reflective triangles are a must. Set them up behind your car to warn traffic. Place them at increasing distances for maximum visibility. They're reusable and work day or night. LED flares are a modern, safe alternative to pyrotechnic flares. They're magnetic, waterproof, and have multiple flashing patterns. Use both triangles and LED flares for best results. Don't risk being missed in a blizzard. Visibility saves lives. Make your car impossible to miss. Be seen. Be safe. That's the complete top 10 for your winter roadside survival kit. Pack these items before the first snowstorm hits. It's a small investment for huge peace of mind. Use this video as your checklist and share it with friends and family. The more people prepared, the safer everyone is. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips.